Do you feel lonely this Thanksgiving? Guess what? Me too. I will be helping you to make a simple dish that is not gonna make you feel better, but it will fill you up. Cheers. Who says Thanksgiving is hard? I'm telling you not, it's easy. I'm gonna show you something, the easy way to make a simple meal, tasty, and not so much of the work. Well, we're gonna start from the beginning to end. So we're gonna head up to the store. We're gonna head up to get some groceries and just follow me along. Let's see what I need to buy for this meal, for Thanksgiving meal. So let's go. Do you still feel lonely? Are you still feeling lonely? You gotta go see the doctor, my friend. Something is wrong with you. With those amazing food. Cheers.